Got yourself an iPhone 10, 10s or 10s Max? Then you need this. This is the best screen protector for any one of those three iPhones. Stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you why right now. Welcome everyone, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today I have got this screen protector. This screen protector has blown me away. I'm not exaggerating, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. You can get this for the iPhone 10, iPhone 10s or iPhone 10s Max. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button, bell notification icon, and I will leave links to where you can buy this on Amazon USA, Canada, Australia, UK, France, Germany, eBay links. So use those links because it helps me out, helps the channel grow. What's so special about this screen protector? Number one, let me read it to you actually. It's called the Glastr Easy Fit Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. It comes with two in the pack, and what's included in it is two of the glass screen protectors, two alcoholic wipes, two instruction manuals, I don't know why you need two, a dust removal sticker, and a microfiber cloth. It's very easy to install. It's got oleophobic coating, real glass, and it's a 9H surface hardness, okay? 9H. Let me show you the guide on how to install it. Very, very easy. First off, take one of the wipes, give the screen a good clean, take off any grease, any fingerprints. Now, once you've done that, if you've got any dust or lint, use the dust removal stickers. I didn't have to in this case. And you can also use the microfiber cloth to give it that final sheen, but again, I didn't need to do that. Next step after that, place your phone down on the desk, take one of these trays, I'll show you this right now, one of these trays, and what you do is you peel the backing off the screen protector. The screen protector is already in the tray. Place it gently over your iPhone, clip it round the frame of the iPhone, and then push down on the top of the sticker where it shows you to push down on. Swipe your finger down and you'll see the glass screen protector starting to adhere to your phone. Then peel that orange sticker off the top and remove the plastic tray. Nearly there, straightforward and easy so far. Now you will get a few bubbles. They're very easy to get out. I used a fingernail, or you can use your thumb, whatever, push them out. If you can't get them all out, Spigen says give it 24 hours and they'll settle and they'll disperse by themselves. Me, no issue at all. They came out without a hitch. What do I like about this screen protector? Well, first of all, it's full coverage, virtually edge to edge, a lot more coverage than, say, the official one from Apple. It's also got a covering for the actual notch itself, which is something I like. A lot of glass screen protectors have that cut out at the top for the notch. Well, in this case, no, it doesn't. And before you ask, Face ID works, no issue. It doesn't affect that. It doesn't affect any sensors. It doesn't affect the front facing camera. That's still the same quality. No problems whatsoever. So it covers the entire screen edge to edge. It's rounded on the corners, the glass screen protector, so it doesn't have that rough, sharp edge to it. And it's pretty case compatible. I mean, here I'm using it with an X-Doria case, which has got a very thick bumper and lip around the screen itself. I'm completely fine with that. If it works with that, I'm pretty sure it'll work with any case out there. Spigen themselves said it will work with all of their cases, including the tough armor, rugged armor, and so on. So if it works with those, it's a thumbs up from me. 100%. Very, very, very good coating on this screen protector. It actually feels smoother and more silky than the actual iPhone screen itself, which is a godsend. It's really, really nice. And there is a little cutout at the top for the earpiece, so it doesn't affect that either. And as you can see, there's no lint, no dust, nothing. Touch sensitivity is completely unaffected. It does not pick up grease very easily, and if it does, it's very easy to wipe it clean. Crystal clarity. It actually makes the screen, for some weird reason to my eyes, look a little bit better. For £13.99, and you get 2 in a pack, it's a no-brainer. This is the best screen protector for your iPhone 10, 10s or 10s Max. I highly, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I cannot find a fault with it. There is a thin black border around the edge of it, but it does not affect what you can see on your screen. It's exceptional. Exceptional. It's better than Apple's official one, which is £30. In fact, I haven't found a screen protector better than this one. I hope you guys found this video useful. I will be reviewing the Xdoria case next for the iPhone 10s Max. A bit of a mouthful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it on all your social media, and this is your boy Zilla saying take care, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all again next time. Peace.